I do. Did he not go in the house yet?
Buddha, what you doing?
Get up, Buddha.
You want to get on Grandpa? He want to get up with you, Daddy. Hold on. Go, Buddha, go!
Oh, Rachel.
I'm trying to push you.
You can't do it like that.
Knock on the door.
It's too much weight.
Get on this thing.
Hey, go upstairs. Go upstairs, Pookie. Go upstairs and knock on the door. I think they're upstairs.
Take him with you on that, Rachel, because I can't do it with it. It's too much weight.
Come on, Buddha.
What's up? Say hi.
Oh, Buddha!
Woo.
I didn't want to hit him.
I'm doing that again.
He is so silly. Look at Buddha.
It busted. Oh, God. Oh, my God. It's heavier that way.
It ain't working.
Because the snow ain't packed enough. Once, see, you'll be able to slide real good on this. Where it's been slick down.
Snow day. Look at the children playing. Y'all were eating the snow?
Yeah.
Mmm, yummy.
Now eat the ones that are on the ground. Yeah.
Y'all gonna stay out here for a while. I hope y'all know that. Young fellas.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. Your dirty old SpongeBob shoes that have been sitting out here since it was hot outside. Yeah, Mommy will wash them, but those things are decrepit right now.
Yeah. No, don't put it in the ground. You can wash them.
Yeah, they can stay in the snow.
Go.
Wave hi, y'all.
Oh, ground.
Say hi to the camera.
Oh, ground.
Quentin and Buddha playing in the snow so nicely together.
It's cold.
Oh, don't eat that.
It's good.
That's dirty. That's dirty. Don't eat that, Buddha.